Hi, friends, it's Miss ABCD. Let's learn words from the word family ACK. ACK says ACK. B, B, ACK. B, ACK. Back. BACK spells back. Black, black, black. BLACK spells black. Crack, 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 crack. CRACK spells crack. Jack, Jack, Jack. JACK spells Jack. Quack, quack, quack. QUACK spells quack. Pack, pack, pack. PACK spells pack. Sack, sack, sack. SACK spells sack. Snack, snack, snack. SNACK spells snack. Rack, 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 rack. RACK spells rack. Track, 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 track. TRACK spells track. Thank you for watching, friends.